Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss on operation on rational numbers. You know how to add, subtract, multiply and divide integers as well as fractions. Let us now study these basic operations on rational numbers. The addition. Let us add two rational numbers with the same denominators, say 7 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. That is, here we find 7 by 3 plus in bracket minus 5 by 3. On the number line we have, this is the number line, right? The distance between two consecutive point is 1 by 3, right? This is 0 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3 and 8 by 3. So adding minus 5 by 3 to 7 by 3 will mean moving to the left of 7 by 3, making 5 jumps. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 2 by 3, right? Right? So where do we reach? We reach at 2 by 3. So 7 by 3 plus minus 5 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Let us now try this way. 7 plus 7 by 3 plus in bracket minus 5 by 3 is 7 minus 5, that is 2 by 3. We get the same answer, right? Now similarly, if we do this one, minus 7 by 8 plus 5 by 8 would mean, right? Here you see this is minus 7 by 8 and plus 5 by 8. That means you have to take 5 jumps on the right side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? And each is division into 8 division between 1, right? 0 by 8, 1 by 8, right? Now where do we get? This is minus 5 by 8, 7 by 8 plus 5 by 8, you are getting minus 5 plus 7, that is minus 2 by 8, right? We are getting the same values. So we find that while adding rational numbers with same denominators, we add the numerators keeping the denominator same. That is minus 11 plus 7, that is minus 4 by 5. Right? In the same way, minus 5 by 7, minus 7 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. You have to make the denominator same. That LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Then we are getting minus 21 15 and this is minus 10 by 15. If we add these numbers, then you are getting minus 21 15 plus minus 10 by 15 is minus 31 by 15. Additive inverse. You have to know that what is the additive inverse. That is minus 4 by 7 plus 4 by 7 is equal to 0. Right? Therefore, right, additive inverse. Therefore, you can say minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is also 0. In this case, in the case of integers, we call minus 2 is as the additive inverse of 2 and 2 is the additive inverse of minus 2. For rational numbers also we call minus 4 by 7 as the additive inverse of 4 by 7 and 4 by 7 is the additive inverse of minus 4 by 7. Similarly, minus 2 by 3 is the additive inverse of 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 3. This is about addition. Now we'll learn about subtraction. Right? This is subtraction. Sabita found the difference of two rational numbers 5 by 7 and 3 by 8 in this way. That is 5 by 7 minus 3 by 8. You find it, the LCM is 56. That is 5 is 40 minus 3 is 21. That is 19 by 56. Farida knew that for two integers a and b, we could write a minus b is equal to a plus in bracket minus b. She tried this for rational numbers and also found 5 by 7 minus 3 by 8, that is 5 by 7 plus minus 3 by 8 is equal to 19 by 56. Both obtain the same difference. Try to find this 5 7 by 8 minus 5 by 9, 3 by 11 and minus 3 by 11 minus 8 by 7 in both ways. Did you get the same result? Yes, we get the same result. So we say while subtracting two rational numbers, we add the additive inverse of the rational numbers that is being subtracted to the other rational number, right? Here you see 2 1 whole 2 by 3 minus 2 whole 4 by 5. That is 5 by 3 minus 14 by 5, that is 5 by 3, right? That is 5 by 3 plus additive inverse of 14 by 5, right? That means subtraction. That is 5 by 3 minus 14 by, right? 5 by 3 plus additive inverse of 14 by 5 is minus 14 by 5, right? Therefore, minus 17 by 5 or you get minus 1 whole 2 by 15, right? Therefore, here also you say 2 by 7 minus 5 by 6. That is 2 by 7 minus of 5 by 6. 2 by 7 plus additive inverse of minus 5 by 6. That is plus 2 by 7 plus 5 by 6. We are getting 5 whole 1 whole 5 by 42. Now multiplication. Let us multiply the rational numbers minus 3 by 5 by 2. We get minus 3 by 5 into 2. On the number line, it will mean 2 jumps of 3 by 5 to the left. 3 by 5 of left. Here you see 3 by 5. You see 2 jumps of 3 by 5 to the left. Right? Here you see 2 jumps to the left of 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 and again minus 3 by 5. This is 1, 2, that is minus 6 by 5. Where do we reach? We reach at minus 6 by 5. Let us find it as we did in fractions. Minus 3 by 22, that is minus 6 by 5. We arrive at the same rational number. Find minus 4 by 7 into 3 or minus 6 by 5 into 4 using both ways. What do you observe? So we find that while multiplying a rational number by a positive integer, we multiply the numerator by that integer, keeping the denominator unchanged. Let us now multiply rational numbers by a negative integer. Minus 2 by 5, 9 into minus 5 is equal to minus 2 into minus 5 by 9, that is minus into minus is plus 10 by 9. Remember, minus 5 can be written as minus 5 by 1. So, minus 2 by 9 into minus 5 by 1 equal to 10 by 9. Similarly, 3 by 11 into minus 2 is equal to 3 into minus 2 by 11 into 1, this is minus 6 by 11. Both based on these observations we find minus 3 by 8 into minus 5 by 7 equal to minus 3 into 5 into 8 into 7, minus 15 by 56. So we did in the case of fractions, we multiply the two rational numbers in the following way. Multiply the numerators of the two rational numbers. Multiply the numerators of the two rational numbers. Multiply the denominators of the two rational numbers. That is, write the product as result of step 1 and result of step 2. That is minus 3 into 2 and 5 into 7. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 and 5 into 7 is 35. Right? Also minus 5 by 8 into minus 9 by 7. Minus 5 into minus 9 by 8 into 7. 7 into 56 and 5 into 45. Minus into minus is plus. Now we solve division. We have studied reciprocals of a fraction earlier. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 7? It will be 7 by 2. We extend this idea of reciprocal to non-zero rational number also. The reciprocal of minus 2 by 7 is 7 by minus 2. That is minus 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2. That of minus 3 by 5 would be minus 5 by 3. Would be minus 5 by 3. Right? This is the reciprocal. Product of reciprocal. The product of a rational number with a reciprocal is always 1. That is minus 4 by 9 into reciprocal of minus 4 by 9. Minus 4 by 9 into minus 9 by 4, that is 1. Right? You can get more example also. This shows to divide a rational number by the other non-zero rational number, we multiply the rational number by the reciprocal of the other. Right? You have to multiply with the reciprocal of the other. Right? That is, here you see minus 6 by 5 divided by minus 2 by 3. That is 6 by 5 minus 5 into a reciprocal of minus 2 by 3. That is 6 by 5 into 3 by minus 2. That is 18 by 10. Right? In this way you can divide, you can add, you can subtract, and you can also multiply the various rational numbers. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.